Alright, here we are. This is the Taig mill, and this is the consew servo motor. So here's the old motor down here. This is a 1/4 horsepower DC motor, and you basically have to flip these belts between the pulleys to change the RPM of the spindle, right? So if I want that to go faster or slower while it's cutting, I gotta stop, change the belt with the old motor. So that's terrible. Consew, 3/4 horsepower, so we get an extra 1/2 horsepower, and it is controlled by this lovely device over here. And this will be interfaced with the computer at some point. But the important thing is that now we can control the speed with a knob. So very slow, 200 RPM, all the way up to 4,500 RPM. Pretty quiet. And it's a servo, so when I start cutting, it should compensate for the power consumed by the cut. $120 motor. Pretty good upgrade to the mill. Basically took the pulley because I was short on time. There's a snow day tomorrow. Didn't want to wait for 2 more days of postal service. The pulley started out with this size bore, and the new motor has a 15mm bore. I don't know if you can see that. So it just pops it on the lathe. This is the first time that I used the outer jaws here. I popped it in there and use a boring bar here to basically cut out several millimeters from there, just so that we can get it turning tonight. So there it is. This plate here from the Taig owner group, big up to those guys. A lot of help with this whole upgrade process. 3D printed cover here to cover the fan, 3D printed mount to hold the computer interface that we're going to hook up next. That also holds on to the controller box. Yeah. So hopefully, work on this some more tomorrow.